Ever wondered why your garden tools don't last as long as they should? The secret lies in regular maintenance. Proper care not only prolongs their life, but also enhances their efficiency and ensures your safety. So how do you keep these tools in top shape? Let's delve into that. The first step in maintaining your garden tools: cleaning. It's as vital as the garden itself. Start by removing dirt and sap after each use. This prevents buildup and keeps your tools in top shape. For those stubborn patches of dirt, a wire brush is your best friend. But remember, cleaning isn't just about removing dirt. It's also about drying your tools to prevent rust, an enemy of garden tools. Keep them dry, keep them clean, and they'll serve you well. Once clean, it's on to the next step: sharpening. A sharp tool is a gardener's best friend. Just as the baker needs a sharp knife to slice through bread, the gardener relies on keen pruners, shears, and shovels to make clean, precise cuts. Sharpening these tools not only makes work easier, but also promotes the health of your plants by reducing damage during pruning. The process is simple. Using a file or a sharpening stone, glide along the blade's edge in one direction, maintaining the original angle. With your tools sharp, it's time to protect them. The final step in garden tool maintenance: protecting. It's essential to keep our tools safe from rust. Proper storage is key, whether it's in a dry shed or on a well-ventilated rack. But let's not forget about the importance of applying oil or a rust-preventative spray. These substances create a barrier against moisture, the prime culprit for rust. A little bit of effort goes a long way in preserving our tools' lifespan. With these steps, your garden tools will be ready for action when you need them. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Keeping your garden tools clean, sharp, and protected is crucial for their longevity. Remember, a well-maintained tool is a gardener's best help. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy gardening!